Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on the lovely 2015 Mark 7 Golf GTI. This is the performance spec model. In this video I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to actually remove and replace the grille, because I do know that a lot of people like to replace the grilles for either the GTI one like this and put it on the standard Mark 7s, or also get an aftermarket one. And it's really simple. You just need to undo 2 screws and a couple of clips using a T25 Torx bit. So to do this, we are going to need to go and open up the bonnet. And if you don't know how to do that, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. Once you've done that, we're just going to put our hand in above the VW badge and operate that lever there by pulling it up. And then that is safe and secure. So this is where we can get our T25 Torx bit, and we've just got one here and one here. So what we're going to do is remove them screws all the way out. And with those 2 screws out, we can actually just get a hand in and we just pull the top away using the middle point there. You may need to just give it a tug in either one of those corners. And once you've got it that far, we're just going to actually lift it up. And there you go, that is your old grille off. Now this does allow you to actually give a deeper cleaner to the car as well, if that's what you want to do, or check out your radiator. And once you're ready to put your new one or your old one back on, we're just going to use these locating pins to drop into the front bumper, making sure they go all the way down like that. And then this is where we're going to start to actually get it back in, just making sure that all of the tabs go in the right position. Bit hard to do one-handed. There we go. That's sealed all the way round. And then we can go ahead and put our screws back in. And there we go, nice, quick, simple video for you today. Now I will just take a quick look on AliExpress, because I like buying all my parts on AliExpress. And if I find any cool grills, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description to check that out. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.